service tax, goods and service tax. Now, what is it? Chalu karo. Done. It is a type of tax. Whenever you trade, whenever you go purchase something, you have to pay some tax, okay, to the government. So wholesaler, when he purchase something in bulk, suppose wholesaler, we are all here, suppose in this our state, from our state we are not getting that, we are going to get it from somewhere else, like Delhi se mangaya ya Maharashtra se if we are getting. So we need to pay the tax to the central government and to the state government. There are divisions under which they'll ask you where how much is going to be paid. So now suppose I am teaching, I am into teaching field. So teaching field ka bhi tax is there. When you pay the fees, and the fees is paid 18% tax. My government is asking 18%. So 18% of your fee is going to give you in services. So this GST comes under services. Few GST will have 5%. Few GST charge will be 5%. But before we start with GST, a simple basic question I want to ask. A very simple thing. Okay? This is going to help you out to calculate things better. ठीक है? भाई अथर्व को 83 मार्क्स मिले 100 में से. ठीक है? कि how what is his percentage? How will we find out? Easy, simple. ठीक है? Now, if I say अथर्व को 83 मिले -5% उसका डिडक्ट हो गया बिकॉज ही वॉज लेट टू द क्लास. ठीक है? सो कितने मार्क्स मिले? 83 इंटू 5 बाय, क्या करोगे कैलकुलेशन में कितना आएगा? इसको भाई हम लोग इवन नंबर ले लेते हैं तो लाइफ आसान हो जाएगा. 83 से एक मार्क बढ़ा देंगे इसका. ओके, सो वी गेट इट 10 42, so it is 4.2. so 84 मार्क्स में से -4.2 करेंगे, that is his marks, that will be 79.8 marks he got on 100. Right? What did we do? We just removed 5% from 84 marks. Simple. अरे भाई प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, GST, डिस्काउंट चैप्टर, हर जगह पे only this works. There is no rocket science. I really don't understand when a student sit and by heart करते हैं वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के फॉर्मूलेज, GST, मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू के फॉर्मूलेज. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ओके, प्लीज डोंट डू. Simply मैंने मेरे परसेंटेज, I want to make my percent, I want to find out my percentage. I got out of 720 marks paper, I got suppose 580. What is my percentage? 580 by 720 into 100. खत्म. I lost 10 marks. I lost 10% because of falana reason. 580 into 10 by 100. Subtract the answer that you get with 580. That is your marks. Simple. Same thing valids to whenever we have any sale anywhere. Suppose if you are buying an outfit worth rupees 1500, you have a discount of 10%. What are you going to do? 1500 into 10 by 100. What will you get? 150 minus 150. 1500 minus 150. Do it. Done. Understood? Or I was fast? Ayush, understood? Simple mathematics. So everywhere in GST, in shares and dividend, many places like majority value chapter also you have, which is called as banking. The second chapter, same thing is there all around. Comes under commercial mathematics. Now, let us go directly to page number 2, types of GST. We have CGST, we have SGST, and we have IGST. What is written on the first page, second page? CGST. It is for an intra-state supply within the state. So I am in Telangana or I am in Maharashtra. So within the state, whatever transaction is done from, suppose from Miapur to Bandlaguda, okay, any transaction is done from Virar to Thane, that is interstate. From Palghar to Churchgate, anywhere in the city, that is Maharashtra city. Okay, Maharashtra की city में करो, कहीं पे भी करो. That is intrastate. If it is intrastate, CGST is levied. It is CGST levied. Now state GST. State GST for any local supply within the same state or union territory. Half of the output GST is deposited to central government and half will go to state government. Understood? This is which GST? Second one, SGST. What is IGST? बाहर के IGST, it is levied on the supply of goods or services in case of interstate trading within India or in case of export import outside or in India somewhere कहीं और से माल आ रहा है, ठीक है. Now which GST has to be levied will be given to you in a question, so no need to worry. आपको कुछ find out नहीं करना है, वो लोग ही बोलेंगे, ठीक है. तो if suppose they are saying that find out SGST and they say that GST is 28%, GST is 28%, then भाई 14% will go to state government, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, सॉरी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को जाएगा और बाकी का 14% विल गो टू स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड. व्हेन जीएसटी इज गिवन 5% देन 2.5 डिवाइड करो. इफ दे गिव 18%, 9 you divide it. This is how it works. Simple? Yes? Very good. Page number 5. First sum. What is written there? A consumer buys a washing machine from a dealer at a discount of 20% on 3,000 rupees shoes or 18%. How much that comes to? 540 rupees. ठीक है, here 540, here 47.50. Now the third one where he is going to get discount of 30%. So first we have to take out the discount and then put the GST. So it goes like this: 1000 into 30 by 100. Very good. It will be 300, and thus this will become 1000 minus 300, which comes to 700. And on 700 we have to get the GST of 18%. So multiply and you get the answer. Right or not? So how much will that be to? 126. So 126 plus 540 plus 47.50. This is the total GST. The first question asked. Easy, not easy? ध्यान से, if you understand every bit what is written, it is very easy. Very scoring chapter. Please don't leave the sums. Yeah. Let us go to the next question. The total bill amount including GST paid by Mr. बेदी. सो मिस्टर बेदी का टोटल अमाउंट कितना था? 950 प्लस दिस प्लस 700 plus all the GST together. If you add up, that is going to be the total bill. So first question was asked, how much is the total GST? So when the first question is asking only how much is GST, just add up the GST value. First answer is done. Then when they ask you the second question where they are asking you the total amount that he is going to pay, that time you add up the actual amount plus GST. So the answer is solved. Okay, done. Shall we go to the next sum? This is the last sum we are going to do from the solved example. After that we are starting with the exercise. I hope you guys understood till now. Are you in the new bit? Do you have any doubt? Okay, a dealer D purchases a television from a manufacturer for rupees 20,000 and sold it to retailer R at a profit of 15%. Now when discount was there, you subtracted. When profit is there, will you add or subtract? Add. Thank you. So profit of 15%. That 15% will be on what number? 20,000. So 20,000 into 15 by 100 will give you one number that we will add to 20,000. Right or not, Anirudh? Done. Next, if the rate of GST is 18%, calculate the amount of input CGST and input SGST. When it is saying input CGST and input SGST, तो GST का वैल्यू कितना बोला था उसने? 18%. So CGST will be 9%, SGST will also be 9%. Easy. Is there any rocket science in this? No, right? So first question, what did they say? 9%. पहले लिख लो that CGST will be 9% and SGST will also be 9%. ठीक है, because 18% we are going to divide into two parts. Now input GST for dealer D is going to be 9% on 20,000, which is going to be 1,800. वहाँ पे what happened is a dealer D, listen to the question, Ayush here, dealer D purchases a television from a manufacturer for 20,000 and sold it to R. So when they are asking you the first question, they are talking only about dealer D. So profit will not be included. Still, R, the retailer R has not come into picture. So they are asking us the story of 20,000 and above. No profit to be added to 20,000 in the first question. You understood? Yeah? Doubt? So it's going to be 20,000 into 9 by 100 will give you 1,800. So this is your CGST for dealer D. Okay, then SGST for dealer D will also be same, that is SGST will also be same, 1,800. Done. Then the next question is amount of GST the dealer D has to deposit with the government. It is going to be 1,800 plus 1,800, 36,600. Okay. Now the question number 3, the amount that the retailer R has to pay to the television. Assume that all the transaction takes place in the same state. Okay, fine. So the question asked here is, now the retailer part comes, profit comes. So selling price of the TV is how much? SP of the TV is how much? 20,000 plus 15 by 100. Sorry, into 15 by 100 will give me how much? 3,000 rupees. Now these 3,000 will get added to this. So this is what he is going to sell it for after putting the profit. 23,000. Now 23,000 के ऊपर लगेगा 18% GST. Right? 18% because he paid ना, dealer D paid. तो retailer से भी वो लेगा. Okay? So he will also have to give. That is the consumer who is going to take the TV television. So he will also take. So that comes to 4,140. Right? Now amount of GST to be deposited by the dealer will be the actual whatever he gave minus this. That is the extra that he is taking. That is 3,600. 4,140 is equals to what you get it as 540. So this is what is the answer. Now why are we doing this? Question है नहीं है? ये समझ आ गया तो मुझे समझाओ. है नहीं है? नहीं है क्वेश्चन तो समझाओ ये क्यों सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. Hansini, not followed.
I didn't get the last part.
Okay. Ayush, Atharva,
Output based on
manufacturer here. He Hansini, not followed.
I didn't get the last part.
Okay. Ayush, Atharva,
Output based on
manufacturer here. He from him dealer is buying. ठीक है. So dealer ने buy किया 20,000 का ना. So he paid how much GST here? 3,600. चाहे वो CGST हो SGST, from his pocket 3,600 GST went or not, right? So he paid 3,600 GST. Now other than the 20,000 for the TV that he gave, so actually from dealer's pocket how much money went? From dealer's pocket it went 23,600. Understood what I am saying? Yeah. Now my dealer has added a 15% profit to it and he gave to R. Right? Are you getting what I am trying to say? He gave to R. So agar if he is going to get only 23,000, that is this, will he be at a loss of 600? Yes. So what he did, to 20,000 he put 15% profit, so it becomes 23,000. Now to 23,000, 18% GST, which comes out to 23,000 plus this much. So this guy R is going to pay, that question is not asked, but he is going to pay 140. This is what he is going to pay. Who? The retailer. 27,140. Right? But GST will be levied on 23,000. That is 4,140. So this 23,000 is inclusive of 20,000 ना. तो इसको एक बार GST पे फिर और एक GST ले रहा ना वो. Once he paid, again if he gives this also, how? So he is removing this whatever he paid. Extra जो बचेगा ना 540, उतना ही गवर्नमेंट को देगा. Because he already paid 3,600. Again if he pays 4,140, what will he earn? Understood? Again, Hansini, not followed?
Second GS.
Yes, so it will be double, right? 3,600 is duplicated not twice here. In this 4,140 also 3,600 is there. Understood nicely this sum? Based on these three sums only the whole exercise is there. Please start doing the sums. Anywhere getting stuck, ask me anytime. Whether you are here, you ask me online, YouTube, either भी